Hey everyone, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Some of you may have noticed that I took a break from my channel for the past few weeks due to a chain of unfortunate events, is what I'll say, having to do with our house and other things that life threw our way. I needed to shut things down for a minute and deal with it all. I'm happy to report that life is back on track and we have finally moved into our house. So today I have for you the last installment in our Building Our House series. I'll include the playlist of the entire series in my description box below. Starting today, I will be back to posting 3 videos per week. I always post my channel schedule in my description box as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we are super excited because we have keys. And I just wanted to show you real quick the retaining wall over there. They did get that up. We are officially in. So this is our front door. We got the door with the little windows at the top. These are our outdoor lights. There's 2 on the garage as well. There's this huge kind of landing area. And then of course there's a light up there. So there's a little area for when you come in. I'll probably do some sort of a bench with, I'm thinking something to hang coats up with. And I'm just walking into our living room. Right at the front there. It's got a couple of windows. So yeah, this is our living room area. And then it's a very open plan on this floor for the most part. You come in here, you could have gotten the breakfast nook, but in my opinion, because you know I'm midlife and nailing it, so, but breakfast nook and kids, like there's carpet, right? I didn't want to deal with that, so I didn't go for that. But anyway, so you're walking into our kitchen / dining room. This is the light fixture. I'll try to come up close. My lighting's not going to be great, guys, because all I have is what's in the house, because I wanted you to see it as we're kind of seeing it. So that's my lighting that's going to be above my dining room table. Our fridge is going to be delivered in a few days. And then we've got cupboards up top, of course, and the bottom there. The stove, microwave, that whole 9 yards came with the house. I did go with more of mid-century hardware. That's going to be in the bathrooms as well. That's kind of more Randy and I style. The flooring is a little bit farmhouse, I guess. It even looks more farmhouse than it does on camera, but it can go with what we're doing too. I really liked it because it has brown and grays in it, and I kind of stuck to brown and grays throughout the house. This is our countertop that we picked out. I loved it. I kind of picked the countertop out first for the kitchen and then designed the house kind of around it, is what I did. And then I'm really excited about this because it's the little things. I have one of these, you guys. I'm so flippin' excited about it, you don't even know. And then that, of course, is the backsplash that we went with. We just went with a little gray kind of mid-century design. I'll show you up close. And then just a light gray grout. So yeah, so that's what the kitchen looks like from the opposite corner. And so then this is my pantry. Now open it up. It's a pretty nice size. Not a walk-in pantry, but it's quite large. And then I've got a bunch of the shelves here. This house has like a ton of cupboard space and closet space and storage. That's what I really like about it. Okay guys, so now we're kind of walking into the area what I would call a mud room. I don't know what the heck they call it now. That door right there actually opens into our garage. And it's just a standard garage, so I don't know if I'm going to spend a lot of time talking about it. It's just a 2-car garage, guys. There's nothing special about it. Not at all. So having said that, this is a pretty big walk-through space here. And we have like a coat closet or whatever, storage closet, whatever you wanted to use it for. Just your standard closets. And we tried not to get these wiry racks, but we went with a production builder, so we didn't have a lot of options, but we did have the options to where the hangers will slide. So if you're looking at the garage door, if you turn right, there's a little hallway here. And then the lights that I went with for the bathroom, this is the littler one, and then I think there's 3 in the other bathrooms that we have. They match that dining room table light as well. You can't really, here, I'll get close. I'm gonna get close to it so you can see the design. So basically the dining room table one is like one of those but larger. And then in the other bathrooms, there's 3 little lamps instead of the 2. So when you come out of the little powder room, we're still in the mudroom area, I've got a laundry room, first floor laundry room, which I'm very excited about. Our washer and dryer should be here in a few days when the fridge is. So I'm very excited to have a little laundry room, especially first floor. This is the whole reason why we moved to begin with. Hi, Roscoe. There was an unfortunate accident involving stairs at our last house. Going down to the laundry room, it was very steep. Maybe one day I'll do a video about it. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but I have an injury from that and I have had a hell of a time with it. So I'm back in the living room and we have a set of stairs that goes upstairs and a set that goes downstairs. We'll go ahead and start with the upstairs. We've got a little banister here. And what I like about this as well, because of that accident that I just talked about, is that there's a few steps and then I'm in like a break. There's like a break and then you actually turn to go up more steps. So if I ever should fall again, guys, it's not going to be that far down, right? If you knew the journey that I've had since I fell down the stairs a few years back, you know why that's important to me. I really like up here because the ceilings are super high. Yay, high ceilings are fun. I don't know. And of course we have a banister that comes up this way as well. So the first room that I'll talk about is the master bedroom. 2 windows, pretty standard, not small, not big, just right. And everyone has these lights, like I swear to God, because they're $9.99 at Home Depot, right? We have a little walk-in closet. It's not giant, but it's good enough. Big enough for us, let me tell you. And it doesn't really do you justice to show on video, but yeah, we have a nice walk-in closet here. And then this is our bathroom off of the master bedroom. So this they messed up, you guys. So we have the same flooring that I've been showing you throughout the house. And then we could have went with like tile, but because I'm midlife and nailing it, I know that that's a crap show. But if you want tile, you go right ahead. At this time in my life, I want things a little more simple. So I ain't got time for all that. And I don't have time for the sliding glass door situation. I'm not dealing with that either. I find that this kind of a tub is much easier to clean. So that's what I went with, folks. And you can see that we went with the same hardware. Okay guys, so here's the story with the bathrooms up here. There's 2 bathrooms up here. They put in the wrong size vanities. So those are actually downstairs waiting to be installed because they're what we paid for. So these were not the right size vanities. They're a little bit larger. And then also the mirror is the wrong size. So those are coming in as well. That's the right light up there. They'll have to move it over when they come in and fix the situation. And then on top of things, they did the wrong countertops. And the reason why we're like fighting, you know, they need to do what's right. They need to do what we spent money on. We got level 4 marble countertops for both bathrooms up here. This isn't what we picked out at all. It's not even close. This is plastic. It's not even close. And so we had to kind of go back and forth with them. That's why we didn't get into the house for 3 more weeks than what we were supposed to. Well, we were technically supposed to be in June, and it's been delay after delay after delay, but that was the latest delay. So they have them on order. Now here's the thing, they're not exactly what we picked out because during COVID, the company they went through went belly up. And instead of talking to us about the situation, they just took matters in their own hand and did whatever they wanted. I don't know if they didn't think we'd catch it, but you know, we did. So that's been super stressful, to be perfectly honest with you. But we're here now and it's fine and we've all come to an agreement. They're not exactly the same countertops. They will be marble. They're not as nice of a countertop because of COVID. There's a huge materials shortage and I'm sure you all can understand that. You walk into a Target, you walk into anywhere, just you can tell there's a material shortage of everything, and that absolutely includes this industry. And I did, guys, I don't know if you're noticing, but any kind of hardware is all silver. When you walk out into this area, this room could either be a room or it could have been open. So this is actually going to be Randy's little music room. It's not that big of a room. I mean, it's not shabby by any means. Pretty nice size room. He plays the guitar, for people that don't know. This is the closet. It's a pretty nice size closet. It's going to be great for guitar storage and all the stuff that he has, amps and all that kind of thing. So he has a pretty nice view back there. So this is going to be like his music room / office. And then across the way is the bathroom for upstairs. It's basically the same as the master bathroom. I think it might be a smidge bigger, but they made the same mistakes or what have you. And then down the hall here will be my office. I work on stuff. I do these YouTube videos and I do the household management, and I've got some other things that I'm not going to talk to you about. I'm a little more private than some of your other YouTube people. But so this is my view right here. And then I've got a pretty nice sized closet for storage. Pretty standard. And then this is going to be my daughter's room for as long as she's with us. She just started college. And I don't know what her plans will be. I get her for a few more years, I'm sure. Couple anyways. And she's got a really nice view. And then her closet is basically the same as the other two closets. Now you might be wondering what I plan to do with my son. He has picked out that he wants a room downstairs, and that was up to him. He could have been, look at who's peeking at us. But anyways, Mr. Chandler decided to go with the room in the basement instead of one of the rooms upstairs. Well, besides the master bedroom, of course, they got to pick what rooms they wanted. There's a door. Oh, I didn't show you that. There's a door that closes off the basement if you wanted it closed. We chose to finish the basement. This is where we're gonna watch movies and do all that kind of thing. Now, this has a break as well. There's also railings and things. Like I'm a geriatric patient, but it is what it is. Right when you get down to the end of the stairs, there is a bathroom, which you guys, that might seem excessive to you, and you're right, it is. I tried to get it without the bathroom, but it came as a package. So I didn't really have a choice because we don't need that many bathrooms, but we have them now, don't we? So this will be like Chandler's bathroom. Now this one is right. I just went with like a standard white sink. I went with the square. I like the straight line. He's got his mirror and those lights that I picked out. Same story with the tub and everything. I just want life simple, you know? And so then if you turn right here, there is another door. Lots of doors. Oh no, where's the light? Okay. And so this is like a storage area. This part of the basement is not finished. And there's storage under the stairs back there, which we really like. And stuff isn't all hooked up. I had the cable guy out today because we had to get internet like ASAP, because I don't know about you guys, but my kids both do school online right now because of COVID. So yeah, so we have this huge area back here. So this is actually a really big area, and we're gonna put our TV down here and make it super cozy. We have a huge sectional. It's gonna be great. I have a window here, and it is an egress window, so nobody's gonna burn up in a fire. And then this door was open. Normally it can be shut. So this is where our furnace and all that good stuff is, guys. And then we're gonna knock, because Chandler's here. Open the door. So we're walking into Chandler's room. Now this isn't the biggest room in the house, but he wants it downstairs. His other room is downstairs. He likes his own space, so he can do that. So there's his little egress window. Whew.
Out of breath? Climb too many flights of stairs?
Yeah, while I'm talking.
Bubba likes it. He likes climbing the stairs.
He's gonna be a doggy that's in shape. Okay guys, thanks so much for going on this journey with us, and I will see you soon.